Presenting the 2015 Mercedes-Benz GLK Class GLK 350. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, MP3 decoder, premium audio system, Coleman, radio data system, weather band radio, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, rear window defroster, memory seat and power driver seat. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.